So the first step is to apply a base coat to all your nails and let it dry completely. Apply a layer of white to all your nails. Apply a second layer of white to all your nails. I've just added a layer of fast drying top coat to all my nails, and it was just purely to fasten up the drying process of the nails, so I can actually move on with the stamping a bit quicker, because yeah, I have to say I'm a bit impatient. Apply some black polish to the chosen design on your stamping plate, and then using a card just spread it out so that it's going to cover the whole design. So now just roll the stamper over the design so it's going to pick up the polish from there, and then just basically stamp it onto your nail. You should be able to see through the stamper, so you can actually see where the design is going to be on your nails, and at this moment just don't worry about if it's going to go on your skin. That could be removed later on. If you have some polish left on your stamper, do not use remover to clean it off. Instead, just get a piece of sellotape and then just stick it over it, and it will just remove all the excess polish from your stamper. So to clear up the polish from around your nails, just dip a cotton bud into some nail polish remover, and then you can easily wipe it off. And now add some top coat to the nails that we just added the stamping design to.